At UWS, our truck toolboxes are made strong. How strong? How about we show you by putting this truck right on top of our boxes to prove just how impossibly strong they actually are. While many truck toolboxes look the same from the outside, it's what's on the inside that makes UWS boxes so superior. While other truck boxes attempt to strengthen their boxes with rods, bends, or braces, each UWS truck toolbox features our patented RigidCore lid. These lids are completely filled with a unique hardening foam that maximizes the box's strength and dependability. UWS, impossibly strong.